What's up, YouTube? This is Recoil Rider. I'm making a video here on actually my GoPro. I need some help with it. If you guys could help me out, leave some answers in the comment section. If you've ever had this happen with your GoPro, I have a GoPro Hero 11 Black, and I got the mic adapter, and I have the mic inside my helmet. Right now my visor is closed, and anytime I get up to about 55 miles an hour, it starts crackling and popping, and it kills my audio. It ain't doing it right now. More than likely it doesn't happen at low speeds, but when I get going fast, I'm going to show you up here, it does a lot of crackling and popping. And so these are things I've already tried. I've actually seen some other YouTube videos, and they said, okay, so about 45 miles an hour, we're probably fine right now. But these are the things that they said that they've tried, is turn the wind reduction off completely. So I've done that. 55, 60. Okay, so some other things I've tried. Now it's probably popping right now. I'm doing about 70. I know I'm speeding, but don't tell anybody. I've also turned my Wi-Fi off just recently. I've tried moving my mic. I've moved it over here to my earpiece. It can still pick up my voice, but it does this popping thing. So I moved it back to right in front of my face, because obviously that didn't work. I've tried turning off my Wi-Fi, and I'm currently trying, instead of 4K, seeing if 1080p works. So that's where I'm filming in right now, is 1080p, just to see if the frame rate and the pixels will change it. So wind reduction off, Wi-Fi off, now filming in 1080p. I've tried some adjustments. Let me know if you guys know or have had this problem. Maybe it's my mic itself. The mic itself is having an issue, and I'm willing to buy another mic if that's what it is, but I don't think it is. And so up here, I'm going to open up my visor just to show you. Now my visor is open, completely full open visor. I got my shades down, my helmet shades, and so far it don't seem like that makes a world of difference. So I'm doing 55. Let's see, get it up. And I don't know, I can't tell if it's popping or not, but now I'm getting full visor, wind open. Let's do a partial flat visor. And closed visor. So if you guys know the answer to this popping, crackling in my helmet on my audio when I'm making videos, I sure would like to know. So help me out, guys. I would really like to make videos that are of good quality for you guys. And the thing is I don't even like watching videos if the audio ain't good. So I don't like posting videos if the audio is good, and I've lost a lot of footage just because I wasn't happy with the audio. So help me out, guys. Also, you can also help me out with like, share, and subscribe, and that helps my channel out. I'm still new, I'm still trying to grow, I'm still trying to put out content. So if you could do that, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe, and maybe somebody else might have the answer for me if you guys don't know, or I'm thinking it's a common problem. So yeah guys, thanks a lot, I appreciate it.